Hey guys, Varun here, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A50s. So before I do that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more such videos. So as you can see on the front over here, we have the image of the actual device, and on the back this pretty much sums up the difference between the previous A50 and A50s. This time we have the 128GB variant over here, which was not there previously. We have a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So these are pretty much the main differences which are there between the last year and this year's device. The price has also gone up. So on the box you see the price is 26,900, but it actually retails for 22,990. So let's just get into the box now. And as soon as you remove the upper box over here, you see there's a device on the front. So we have a very pull tab over there on the plastic. So this is the actual device in all its prism white glory. We'll keep that on the side for now. In the box we get a 15-watt fast charger from Samsung. So this is really good. The phone has 4000 mAh battery, so this is required. Now keeping it on the side, let's see what else we get in the box. We also have a Type A to Type C charging cable for faster data transfer speeds. And last but not the least, we also get a basic set of headphones in the box, so which is really nice. It is also having a single button function over there. So this is all the content which are there in the box. So keeping everything on the side, let's just see what we have. So the top portion also contains this quick start guide and the warranty information, which is pretty basic documentation from every device. So just keep it on the side. And we also get a jelly case in the box, which is really good. Samsung has been doing this with all their devices, so we have a basic protection right out of the box. So now let's just remove the plastic out, and we'll see how the actual device feels in the hands. And it does feel really good. Even though the back is actually still made of the glass and plastic combo, it does feel like we are holding a glass phone. Now we have the big sticker. Let's just remove it from the back, and there you go. This time the Samsung has actually made the back a little bit shiny. As you can see, we have the prism effect on the back over here. It looks different, it looks good than the previous version, I would say. And on the front over here we have the 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display from Samsung. It is dominating the front over there. And on the top we have the secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the right side of the device we have volume rockers and the power button over there. On the bottom we have the speaker, the microphone, we have the USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the right side over here we have the slot which will contain dual nano SIM and a micro SD card expansion up to 512GB. So for that storage, I would say there is no problem in this device whatsoever. So let's just see if the phone has some charge in it. Yeah, it does. So by the time the phone is getting boot up, guys, I'll just put my basic information and get back to you right in the device. Okay, so the phone has booted up now, and this is the home screen, and it looks really beautiful, guys, as you expect from any Samsung device. And I would say the back this time also does a really great job. It is dominated by the triple camera setup, which is having a 48 megapixel primary camera this time around, and on the front we have that 32 megapixel selfie camera, which looks really good. This is the Infinity U display from Samsung. The phone feels pretty compact in hand, and it is reachable as well at the top. And we'll see what software version it is running on very quickly. So yeah, here we have the One UI version 1.5, which is based on Android 9. So I would say it is pretty good as compared to what Samsung provides in its devices. And One UI in the past has been really good on all the devices, and I think this phone would be no different. And the build quality is excellent. Not much has changed from the previous devices. The processor is a bit upgraded. We have 9611 processor this time around, which is not much improvement, I would say, but it's good to have. And this is the camera interface, which is pretty common for all the Samsung devices which run on One UI this time around. We have various modes over there, and very quickly I'll show you the video capabilities of the this device. And as you can see on the front, we can record in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is really good. and so is the case in by the rear camera also. We can record in 4K at 30 frames per second. So this camera is really good in terms of video capabilities, at least on paper. And yeah guys, basically this is the unboxing as the initial impressions of the device. I would say this is a really good device considering how successful A50 was. This is a very good upgrade to that device, and Samsung is keeping their A series really fresh. So yeah guys, that's it from my side. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.